Hey, Geometry Crew. This is just an overview of your assignments that are due for Tuesday, March the 24th. Be sure to let me know if you're having any trouble logging in, doing any of your exercises. Most of you have received credit for everything yesterday. I'll reach out to a few of you that I'm still showing some things pending or you didn't get a full credit, and you can take advantage of that. But this is from RenWeb. I noticed today you have a video and an exercise on translating points, and then you have a video, article, and exercise on determining the translation. Video and article, you're going to get credit for watching that through. The article, you can get hints, you can practice a little bit. The exercises are the 4 graded questions each. Those, if you take a hint, you will not receive credit, but you can redo the exercise. And you may find that today they are very familiar when you redo that. Looking back at a little bit from yesterday, just to give you an idea of what I'm seeing, here's what's showing up on my end. But this should be your view on the computer, or really if you're using the app, My Assignments is probably the easiest place to get track, because if you click off, it can carry you to some things that we're not going to do. But this will be moved to the past. So if there's anything that was due on Monday, when you're watching this, it will be located over here on the past. And the active shows these assignments that are due, and there's one that goes on to the next page. So I would just start clicking there. Rather than going to a next assignment, since I am skipping around, I would probably just close this out and then hit the translate points exercise, which will carry you to a new screen, more than likely. This is what you're actually going to do today. And it wants you to plot this point by going 5 units to the left and 3 units up. So if you'll click anywhere on here, on your phone, you'll just touch. It'll give you this point that you can then move around to meet those requirements. You're going to do a point something like that. You're also going to take a point and find the image. The one with the little dash right here is the image. So if you move this 1 unit to the left, you would subtract from X. 3 units down, you're going to go down on Y, and you would type your new answer in there. This is the exact same thing. You take this coordinate right here, and you would move it 1 to the right because it's positive, and 2, since it's positive, that would go up. If it was -2, it would go down. You can use the hints. If so, then you can go back and do the exercise again to get credit. And same thing here. This means the same identical thing. So you're translating points there. Tomorrow we're going to move up to shapes. The next exercise, you're going to actually tell what the translation is. So the key thing on this last exercise that you're doing right here is, how do I get from plain D to D apostrophe? So this is the image, this is the pre-image, the plain letters. The ones with the asterisks are the image. That's what happens second. So how do I get from this one to this one? And as you can tell, I'll go left 1. So you would put in 1 to the left. And you go down 1, 2, 3 units. So 3 down. So that's what your exercises are looking like that you're going to do today. Some of you have already finished those. Just to go back and review a little bit from yesterday, this was the most commonly missed exercise question. Most of you got it eventually. Notice that it's a reflection because the orientation changes. To get this piece over here, there's no way I can turn it without flipping it over. So because it had a flip in it, that's why it was a reflection. But again, just keep emailing me if there's any questions. If you're stuck, please let me know if you're having trouble logging in, what's working well, what's not working, and hopefully we'll get to where you can get through these exercises pretty quick and keep your grades up, and we will be back to a normal classroom, or at least feel like we're being productive and making progress on these. Y'all have a good day. Bye.